3 scanner is the result of years of research and experience with the science of antioxidant detection. To understand the scanner's technology, you must first understand light. White light has all different wavelengths, represented by colors. The scanner produces a narrow beam of light in which all of the photons are the same color, blue, but a blue that is engineered specifically to be exactly 478 nanometers in wavelength. When a 478 nanometer photon of light comes into contact with a carotenoid, something interesting happens. The 478 nanometer photon resonates with the carotenoid molecule and becomes a 518 nanometer photon of green light. Because the number of photons generated is proportional to the concentration of carotenoids in the skin, these green photons are then counted to provide the carotenoid score.
In the past, the only way to access this technology was by using complicated, expensive scientific equipment that only existed in specialized labs. But now, thanks to Pharmanex, this same technology can be used in your home or office.
The technology used in the Pharmanex Biophotonic Scanner was originally developed by researchers at a leading university to study carotenoids in the macula of the eye. At that time, the scanner took up an entire room. Pharmanex used this same technology to develop the Pharmanex Biophotonic Scanner, which measures carotenoid antioxidants in the skin. As part of the development of the scanner, the Pharmanex Research Institute completed 3 clinical studies in order to validate the technology. Not only did we find that carotenoids measured in the skin are highly correlated with carotenoid concentrations in the blood, but we found that skin carotenoids are actually less variable than carotenoid levels in the blood. This is not surprising, considering that blood carotenoids may be more influenced by day-to-day variation and dietary intakes of carotenoids. Unlike other antioxidant testing methods, the Biophotonic Scanner is easy to use and non-invasive, making it completely painless. It gives you an indication of your personal antioxidant status by measuring carotenoids in the skin right at the site of action.
The scanner has been scientifically and clinically validated, and the global patent rights are licensed exclusively to Pharmanex.
As part of our ongoing commitment to research and development, we continue to carry out studies with the scanner. In one such study, Pharmanex entered into collaboration with university researchers who are studying the effects of oxidative stress during extreme altitude mountain climbing. Upgrades were then made to the previous S2 model so that it could function at high altitude, which helped us to further refine the scanner technology. Scanning times that used to take 3 minutes can now be completed in 30 seconds.
The use of Raman spectroscopy for the assessment of human tissue carotenoids has been validated by several peer-reviewed studies. Over the past few years, Pharmanex scientists have attended many scientific conferences and have presented the science behind the Pharmanex Biophotonic Scanner.
Seeing that the scanner came out of a major university was huge, because they use technology there that is based on Nobel Prize-winning technology, Raman spectroscopy. When I saw that, that's what really turned my head around and made me realize that this is the real deal, that this is what's going to allow me to help my patients, to help make recommendations for proper nutrition. I've been doing it for years and years, and no one ever listens. Nobody wants to change their diet. But when you have something like Raman spectroscopy, when you have something like the Biophotonic Scanner, you know that people are going to make a change, that they take it to heart.
Once you know your score, the next step is improving it.
Part of a healthy regimen includes high-quality supplements with comprehensive antioxidant nutrition that are guaranteed to raise your skin carotenoid score. Only Pharmanex offers this guarantee.
What I loved about that S3 scanner is it totally got my attention. It became a behavior modification tool. When I saw my score initially was at 34,000, and to have that duplicated over the series of 2 or 3 scans, and then to realize that through proper nutritional supplementation, this product we call LifePak Nano, that I could escalate that score to 60, 65,000, and to do that consistently. Wow, you know, what that did to me as a middle-aged man was so empowering.
Pharmanex Science Engine is remarkable, and the products are really of the highest quality. The way Pharmanex approaches their R&D and product development, I think puts them way